Let us do question 11 of exercise 8.1. In this question, it is given that AB line is parallel to DE line and BC line is parallel to EF, and also they are equal to each other. And in these two triangles, this is given, and we have to prove these parts that quadrilateral ABED is a parallelogram. Let us try to prove now first part. ABED, AB, E and D. This is a parallelogram we have to prove, and this can be proved by this given. We can write AB is parallel to DE and AB is equal to DE, as this is given. And when one pair of opposite side is equal and parallel, then it is a parallelogram. This implies quadrilateral ABED is a parallelogram, because we will write the reason over here. This is a proof of first part, and the proof of second part also same reason is there, so we can write the collectively the reason. See the second part. Quadrilateral BEFC is a parallelogram. BC is parallel to EF. BC parallel EF and BC equal EF. This implies quadrilateral BEFC is a parallelogram, as BC parallel EF and BC equal EF, it is given. Therefore, this implies quadrilateral BEFC is a parallelogram. Reason is both, reason for the same reason is for both. When one pair of opposite sides is parallel and equal, then quadrilateral is a parallelogram. When one pair of opposite side is equal and parallel, then it is a parallelogram. Therefore, by these two parts are proved. Now come to third part. Third part, we have to prove that AD is parallel to CF and AD is equal to CF. Now see the diagram. AD is parallel to CF and AD is equal to CF. Now we will use the property that these two are parallelogram, then their second opposite pair is also parallel and equal, and the conclusion will come to third part. Now see, as we have proved ABED is a parallelogram, this implies its second pair. AB and DE we have already taken, and what is the second pair? BE and AD. BE parallel AD and BE equals to AD. As it is a parallelogram, its opposite pair of side is equal and parallel. Equation number 1. Now we have proved second quadrilateral also parallelogram. The name of that is BEFC. As BEFC is a parallelogram, this implies its second pair of opposite side is also equal and parallel. First one pair is given, now we will take another one. BC and EF is given. BC and EF is given. This is a parallelogram. Second pair is this and this. So BE is parallel to CF and BE is equal to CF. Equation number 2. Now, what you conclude from these two equations? From equation 1 and 2, the conclusion is that same line is there, BE. BE is equal to AD and BE is also equal to CF. So these two are also equal to each other. Similarly, they are parallel to the same line, so they are also parallel to each other. From 1 and 2, the conclusion is that AD and CF is equal and AD and CF is parallel to each other. Hence, this is the third part. We have proved AD and CF are equal and AD and CF are parallel also. Now come to fourth part. In the fourth part, we have to prove that quadrilateral ACFD is a parallelogram. Now we have proved this. This is the conclusion. One pair is AD and CF. AD is parallel to CF, and from equation 3. From 3, it implies that AD and CF are equal and parallel. When one pair of opposite side is parallel and equal, it is a parallelogram. So the quadrilateral ACFD is a parallelogram. Quadrilateral ACFD is a parallelogram, as from equation number 3, one pair is opposite. We have already written the reason. Now comes to fifth part. In fifth part, we have to prove that AC is equal to DF. As ACFD is a parallelogram, its second pair is also equal and parallel. One pair is already we have proved. Take the second pair. ACFD. We have taken the AD and CF. Then the second part is AC and DF. So AC and DF, they are parallel. AC and DF is parallel, and AC and DF is equal because it is a parallelogram. It is a second pair. So we have to prove this as a fifth part. So this is proved. Now come to sixth part. In sixth part, we have to prove that the triangle ABC and triangle DEF, they are congruent to each other. Now we have proved all the three sides are equal. AC is equal to DF, we have proved in fifth part, and AB is equal to DE given. BC is equal to EF, it is given. AB is equal to DE, given in the question. Second is BC is equal to EF. This is also given in the question. Third part, AC is equal to DF, just proved. So the triangle ABC and the triangle DEF are congruent to each other by side congruency rule, and hence the proof of the question.